My name is Mike Andreas. I'm a engineer, have been for 47 years. I provide a series of engineering services with landowners in urban areas as well as farmers in the areas that require conservation. Products that are offered that I use is GeoSTORM. The software provides the opportunity for you to analyze different things in what I call series. And a case in point is a client has a golf course next to a university, and they have a series of detention basins that were built 20-some years ago. And one of them was modified in 2013, and another component added to it to cause it to trap more sediment. And that is just downstream of the golf course. The way they designed it, they created these small openings that plug frequently and very easily plug, which backs water up into the golf course, puts stuff on the fairway, and a lot of sediment, debris, and logs and everything get on it. So it's a maintenance issue for them. And then it's also a maintenance issue for the university because it's too efficient. So I was commissioned to go in and look at taking components of that out. And by doing that, what effects does that have to the people downstream? And they don't want to have the sediment continue downstream, which it will, but they want to make sure that the flooding did not increase. So with that long story said, I was able to combine storage area through a culvert for 300 feet into a sediment basin that plugs, that has two different riser systems, that outlets it through a pipe in an open channel, into an 8-foot diameter culvert that's 100 and some feet long, and then that outlets into a stream, which then picks up flow from another watershed that has a basin in it, and then they go downstream, and the effect of that had to be modeled because it did affect that, and then I had to look at ways to reduce that, and that's where the pond came in, which I was able to increase the storage in it to pick up the extra flow that was coming out of the modified basin. And everything seems to work out fine on paper anyway. There are 24/7 technical support. Submit your request or even call them on the phone. They answer immediately, and within a reasonable time, there is somebody that comes online and helps you with your project and gets on your computer and helps you with it as you step through the process. So anybody that has anything to do with stormwater needs to really look at it seriously because it does work very well. The process I used is TR55. It's urban hydrology for small watersheds. That the agency I work for created that, and I learned through it with NRCS. The software has all the features built in to do that, and all the firms that I have worked with that do stormwater do use the NRCS or the SCS method of runoff. And this is already in the software, so it's very easy to use. I don't know any software in the 40-some years of me doing this that could do what GeoSTORM could do. That was fantastic. It did everything very well. I learned a lot doing it that way. Had a lot of help from the staff. And again, it was perfect for that application.